Welcome back to the channel, guys. Right, I've just got back from Manchester. This is the next day. Turned the car on and I've got a warning light saying I've got low coolant. So what I've done, I've had a good look around the engine with my trusted light, and I've noticed there's a very slight weep coming from the water pump. Okay, have I got a slight weep on the water pump? Let's have a look. Don't want to drop my phone. This is one way of finding out. The car's nearly done 100,000 miles now. It's what, 93,000. So these are the type of problems you're going to start getting with these cars. But while I'm in there, I might as well change the belts. The belts look all right, actually. But again, while you've got everything to bits, you might as well replace the parts while you're in there. Otherwise, you'll just have to do them again. But it looks easier than the 4.2, but we'll have a look. Okay, see you soon.